Hey, let's see what we got off the old Mack truck today. We've got BIM magnetic spark plug sockets. So instead of having the rubber in there, it's got a magnetic ring. And it also has the 14 12 point with it. Pretty nice. I've been waiting on that for a minute. And then I got the Expert 5-piece combination flare nut wrench set, 1/4 inch up to 7/8. Never needed a 1/4 inch flare nut, but then off of Amazon got some banana jack plugs. Them will come in handy. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.